Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the history and evolution of the Internet, a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. The origins of the Internet can be traced back to the 1960s when the United States Department of Defense funded a project known as ARPANET. ARPANET, or the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, was created to establish a communication system that could withstand nuclear attack. The project eventually evolved into a system that allowed computers to communicate over long distances. Fast forward to the 1980s. British scientist named Tim Berners-Lee introduced the concept of the World Wide Web. This innovation significantly changed how information was shared, allowing users to access linked web pages through the Internet. Berners-Lee's work led to the creation of websites, which became the foundation of the modern Internet as we know it today. During the 1990s, the Internet became more accessible to the public. The introduction of web browsers like Netscape Navigator allowed individuals to surf the web, while the development of search engines such as Google helped organize the vast amounts of information available. This decade also saw the birth of e-commerce, with companies like Amazon and eBay changing the landscape of retail. As we moved into the 21st century, the Internet experienced rapid growth with the rise of social media platforms. Websites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram transformed the way people interact with one another, creating a new era of social networking. The Internet became more mobile, with the advent of smartphones enabling people to stay connected no matter where they were. Looking ahead, experts predict that the Internet will continue to evolve with technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and 5G networks. These advancements will further shape how we interact with the world around us. In conclusion, the Internet has come a long way since its inception in the 1960s. It has reshaped nearly every aspect of modern life, and as technology continues to develop, the Internet will remain an essential part of our daily routines. 𝘧𝘶𝘦𝘴𝘵𝘪𝘰𝑚